Hello everyone. Now it's time to understand the importance of proteins and fats. In previous lecture I had already told about the importance of carbohydrates. Now we will understand about the functions of proteins and fats in our body. Starting with the topic proteins. So proteins are required for the growth and the repair of our body. So all the dead cells that becomes dead in our body get replaced or get new by these proteins. Now the fats also provide energy but provide more energy than carbohydrates. So fat is also a energy giving food, or it's provide more energy than the carbohydrates, and carbohydrates get stored in our body in the form of fat. So when we are on fast, the fats molecules or the fat soluble that are present in our body get energy to the body. So fats helps in many ways, or we can say however they provide more amount of energy to the body as compared to the carbohydrates. So we can also say that the food containing the fats and the carbohydrates are also known as the energy giving foods. Now fats, or we can say the another name of the fat is also the lipids. So they helps in the smooth functioning of the joints, and they basically lubricate the joint, and it also helps to absorb and move fat soluble vitamins through the bloodstream. So which type of vitamins they helps in the bloodstream? So basically we can say that the vitamins A, D, E and K. So those four fat soluble vitamins help them to provide energy to the body through the blood. Now the another topic, that is the importance of vitamins. Now what is the purpose of vitamins in our body? So we can say the vitamins are one of the five major nutrients in our that is present in our body or required by our body. So the functions of the vitamins are, they basically helps in the protecting our body from any disease, or they also helps in keeping some body part healthy, such as the eyes, bone, gums, teeth, or many other such organs. Now the types of vitamins. So there are basically two types. The first one is the fat soluble, and the second one is the water soluble. The fat soluble is basically they are easily soluble in fat or the fatty substance, and these vitamins are stored in our body tissue, and there is possibility that our body store too much of these vitamins. So we can say that the fat solubles are basically that are deposited in our body in the form of fat. So that includes the vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. So vitamin A is for the purpose of to keep our skin or eyes healthy. Vitamin D is for the, it helps our body to absorb calcium, and this calcium helps to strengthen the bones and the teeth. Vitamin E is basically for the maintenance of the efficiency of the muscle cells and for the functioning of the metabolism inside our body. Vitamin K is for the regulation of the normal blood clotting that occurs when any cut happens in our skin. So they basically clot the blood from there. This helps overflow of blood from our body. Now the second types of the vitamins, that is the water soluble. So water soluble are basically these vitamins are easily soluble in water, as the name defines itself. So they are not stored in our body, they are basically released by the mean of our excretory system or the sweat. Hence the regular intake of these vitamins is basically important for our body. And some water soluble vitamins are as followed given. The first one is the vitamin B complex, second one is vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12 and C. So all these vitamins are given in the column of water soluble vitamins. So we will understand in the next part of the video about the functions of these water soluble vitamins, that is the vitamins B complex, B1, B2, B3, B5, 6, 12 and vitamin C. So the function of these all vitamins is approx long, so I will try to make you understand in the next part of the video. Till then, thanks for watching this video.